Welcome to Demo Creek. Let's make some racket.
We got this zombie target. It bleeds when you shoot it, and we're just gonna wear it out. It said that you can shoot it 1,000 rounds. We're gonna wear this thing out. Let's make some racket. The first shot with the 50 cal. Tore his face up pretty good. Well, let's keep shooting it. I got some more guns to shoot this thing with, so let's make some racket. Well, I just shot the Desert Eagle. I completely forgot to hit record on all the cameras. I had a rough night last night, I'm not gonna lie. Here are the first few shots with the Desert Eagle. So we have a Smith & Wesson 460. We're gonna shoot at this zombie target some more. Pretty big bullets. Yeah, so that was the 460. Woo. Let's go see what we did. Starting to wear this thing out, so a little bit of blood, a little bit of zombie blood. You can start to see the paintballs coming out. Let's keep going. Right here we have a 5.7 by 28. It's a very popular round. It's actually in an AR upper, and this is a really fun gun to shoot. Regardless of what the media says, a silencer does not make a gun completely silent. You still have to wear ear protection. 223 pistol. See? Not silent. Well, we have a plethora of guns here today. We're gonna wear this zombie target out. And that's how it's done. So, handed. You take your Glock, fold it out, pop it in, slide it forward, and lock her in. Now, you basically have a rifle. You have a extra mag holder actually built into it. Here we have a M&P 22 compact. Fun little gun to shoot. Barely kicks, and you know, you can go to the range and get a couple hundred rounds of 22 pretty cheap. So just an awesome gun to be able to practice with, and you know, keep your skills in check. So got a little paint splatter on the camera. Got a shotgun, a Benelli Super Black Eagle right here, and we have some triple decker rounds Let's just throw some of these downrange. Well, actually, I'm just gonna throw one downrange. This is FireQuest ammo. They have really cool rounds. This right here is the Terminator. Headshot. Now we have some armor piercing, incendiary. Got a lot of power. Ooh, that was nasty. That was really nasty. Again, that was the Terminator. Almost blew the thing's head off. Oh man, yeah. That was the Terminator round. Some of these specialty rounds don't cycle, so it should be interesting. The coolest part was it cycled. So that Terminator round from FireQuest cycles. And then Benelli. I'm going back to the triple decker. That is a nasty round too. I got two more armor piercing. They're basically armor piercing slugs. We'll see if these cycle. That's a nasty round too. We just threw a total of 9 specialty rounds at this thing, and it's starting to fall apart. It really does kind of make a mess. So if you're part of a membership shooting range, you might not want to take it because it does leave quite a bit of a mess. We're on a private range today, so as always, let's throw some more down range. So what do you do when you get finished shooting a zombie target from Zombie Industries? Well, you just take some tannerite, you know, mix it together, and we're gonna do this Walking Dead style. God. Woo! Got it! Let's make some racket! Blew that mother freaker up. God. Let's go check out the damage. Oh, that 300 short mag kicks like a bitch. Let's go check out the carnage. I don't know. Yesterday, that tannerite fell out of the head of that zombie because I didn't tape it in like a moron. So I hit like right beside it and knocked the tannerite out. So then it was on the ground, and kind of where I am, it's a little bit hilly. And I couldn't get a clean shot on it. I shot at it with a 50 cal like 20 times. I know I actually nicked it because there was a nick in the lid, but it was terrible. Like, it was horrible. You know, when you just try to make one of those cool videos and you fail. Yeah, that was pretty much this zombie target. So, but we hit it that time and it annihilated it. That was pretty awesome, actually. Can't wait to see the replays on the other cameras. That'll be sweet. Remember to always support us on Patreon if you can. Patreon.com/Camo 4x4s. Anything you give will be put back into videos like this, and we'll just have a good time with it. So, and of course, we're doing all this for you and support the Second Amendment. But yeah, this target is annihilated. It's been blown to smithereens. Well, there's no more head. I think I'm over this one. Yellow flies everywhere right now, and they're killing my ass. So it's supposedly biodegradable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it over here for a little while in the woods. I'm gonna come back in about a week or two and see. It said it was biodegradable, so we'll see if that takes. But looks like I didn't destroy my other GoPro, which is nice. And we still got our other camera over here. It should make for a pretty cool shot. And the yellow flies are freaking kicking my ass.
Let's make some racket.
Don't worry about it.
I can't get it.
And smoking big cigars, well I know I had it coming.
Yeti does not smoke.